In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to fix this issue with Outlook that displays working offline. And this means that you won't be able to send or receive emails throughout Outlook. And in order for you to fix this, you actually do it in Outlook itself. So you want to go over to the top here and click on send and receive. And then on the right side, you should see this icon here that says work offline. You want to press that, and then it should try to connect again to your email server. Now sometimes people click this by accident. I don't know if there's a shortcut key to activate it, but that's 90% of the time that I've seen. That's the reason why it shows work offline. Now if you are not connected and you still see an error, then it could be an authentication problem. So what you could do is you could click on send and receive all folders, and sometimes you get a prompt that it'll ask you for your account password again. And if it does, go ahead and make sure you click on remember password and then try to log in again. So basically that's how you fix the work offline issue with Outlook. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, issues, leave your comment below and please subscribe.